Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today is our last day out riding and we're going to be taking the train from DeLand back to Tampa, and I just wanted to share that with you for anyone that needs to do something similar, has to get the train, so you'll see a bit of the process and what's involved. Anyway, it's like 6:30, my train leaves like 9:30, I've got like 6-7 miles to ride, so I'm going to get going now. Thankfully a large portion of the trail from Gemini Springs up to the DeLand train station, well, it's on trails and it's not on the roads. We do hit the roads for a couple miles up ahead though. Train station ahead. Fantastic. And I didn't film any of it, but I just had a flat this morning too. Oh man, I've been tested the last few days, just tested. So we have a very cute old train station here. Oh man, let's go have a look what we got. There's even a little waiting room. And the platform. Cool. 8:15. Might be a bit early. How nice is this? This is so cool. Look at this old trolley, my god. Alright, since the station's closed and it's still early, I'm going to ride a mile down the road. There's a gas station and I can use the Wi-Fi there. Alright, so I'm sitting outside the gas station in DeLand using the Wi-Fi. I gotta have some breakfast. I'm gonna have to go buy something, maybe make some rice even. Alright, I'm now hanging out. The train's gonna be here at like 10:20. I got like an hour and a bit. Making some rice up because I haven't had breakfast yet. Just chilling under this little pavilion. It's quite nice. Probably could have even camped like at the back of the train station there somewhere last night. You know, it was such a late night and I'm up so early. Probably wouldn't have mattered, but that's alright. Enjoying the rice. Just had enough propane. It's empty now, I think. So lucky. Just waiting still. Train's due at 10:35. Right, so when the train gets here, passengers are gonna get on, then it's gonna move forward, and then we're gonna put the bike on into the baggage car, and then they want me to get straight into the sleeping car and then move forward in the train, just like walk up once it starts moving. It sounds kind of exciting. I've got my chesty on so I can try and film what happens, give you an idea. Well, here it comes. Hopefully this all goes nice and smoothly. I think it will.
Hang out right here.
Just waiting my turn here. I think they're gonna move the train. Well, hopefully they stop again. Sleeper cars, that's so cool.
Step box? We can get the bike on back there.
In the last coach?
The last car. Baggage car.
I guess he's gonna come here to this baggage car. This is so random, eh? Hey, do you want me to just pass it up or?
Yeah. Where's that you going?
Tampa.
Alright.
You got it? Yeah.
Go.
Thanks, mate. Oh, that was easy. Let's go get the train. I'll be alright.
He's just going to the coaches.
Do you want my ticket or not?
All the way down, all the way down.
Okay.
Coaches are all the way down.
Thanks.
You're headed to where?
Tampa.
Tampa, all right. All the way down.
Thanks, mate.
Okay.
This is so cool.
And y'all gonna eat up there at 12:30?
We'll be here.
You gonna eat here?
Yep.
Okay.
My
All
wife
right.
surprised me.
I know. She was telling me.
Hey.
Hi.
I just have to go down this way.
Yeah, come on down.
We'll be chilling here.
All right, I'm gonna be going his way. Okay. So when you sleeper car, you get a meal. You get meals.
Right.
Keep it on here.
You guys do vegan meals?
Yeah, we have enchiladas.
Nice.
It's a vegan
So-
enchilada.
So the meals are like extra, or how does that
Well,
work?
it's already included in the price of your ticket.
Oh, okay. How much does it cost for someone to go to Miami from New York? Like $400?
I would say $400.
So I'm like halfway down the train. I had to walk through all those sleeping cars. Now I'm having a break before I go more down to my seat. The third car, I think. We're just going past Lake Monroe. Finally made it to my seat, and guess what? The Amtrak has Wi-Fi, and it's like super easy to connect. There's none of that BS that you normally have to go through, like email addresses, phone numbers, and all that stuff. So thank you, Amtrak. That is so good. And right now we're at Winter Park, so I guess you can also get the train from here, which is obviously on the trail, as you know. So we've stopped in Orlando now, and they let you get off, have a stretch, have a smoke. That's what most people are doing. Here for like 10 minutes. So you could also catch it here, but you'd have to ride that from Titusville. Either you'd have to go past Winter Garden and then into Orlando, you'd have to follow the 50 or something from Titusville, which I wouldn't recommend when you can just take the trail back to DeLand or Winter Garden. Just why not do that? Alright, we are in Tampa now. Gotta go to the end of the platform to pick up my bike. Hopefully it's there. I had to reverse the train for like 10 minutes, but besides the delays, it was really nice. Sit on there, using the Wi-Fi the whole time, catching up on a few things. Works for me. Well, that was super streamlined, so easy. There's a Publix right over the road from the train station, so I'm gonna go get some food now. So what I'm thinking we'll do, we'll go grab some food, and then we'll just literally come back and eat it here at the train station. Since it's kind of nice, you know? It's just out of the front of the station here. I don't know, I'm just gonna see if I can go in. There might be some setting to eat.
Please proceed to the back audio at this time. All other passengers, please remain in the audio area. The train will be arriving soon.
It's nice in here, hey? This is so cool. By the way, this is lunch. Bread with this salsa. Just chucking it on the bread and eating it like, what do you call it? Damn. Bruschetta. Definitely windy, but it's so nice and overcast, but it's still warm. It's perfect riding weather, actually. This works pretty well. I end up turning around and coming on the same side of the river, back over that bridge I just showed you. This is honestly like the first time I've really cycled in Tampa, and I've lived here for like so long. I'm really surprised how nice it is, honestly. I had to hit an REI once more before I leave the US. It's so sad. Once more. Windy and noisy. These bridges, oh, they are so loud. Alright guys, made it to St. Pete, back at the van. Hope the video helps you. I know it's like, not a lot happened, but at least you get to see this process of the train. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, put them in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.